These are three animals that are born with no parents. Take sea turtles. A mother crawls onto a beach late at night, digs a nest in the sand, lays hundreds of eggs, and leaves forever. She never returns. When the babies hatch, they dig themselves out of the sand and move toward the ocean on their own, while birds and crabs wait nearby. Most never reach the water. Then there are baby snakes. The moment they are born, the parents are already gone. There is no protection and no guidance. They must hide from predators, find food, and survive using instinct alone from their first day. And then there's the octopus. After laying her eggs, the mother stays with them and stops eating completely. She guards them for weeks as her body slowly weakens. When the babies finally hatch, she dies.